Welcome back friends. In today's video I'm going to show you find archive text messages on your Android phone in the latest updated guide. So let's jump right in. First thing first, open the messages app on your phone. After opening the app, look for the profile icon in the top menu bar. Tap to open it. Here you can see several options. Scroll down a little, find the archive tab, tap to open it. From the pop-up screen you can see all of the archive text messages there. To read any messages, simply tap on their name, easily to read them. However, if you decide to unarchive these messages, this means you can back to the messages on your home screen messages app. Don't worry, this is very easy method. So this time you can long press any single messages. If you decide to back to the multiple messages at the same time, don't panic. Simply select another one or multiple. After selecting all of the messages if you want to unarchive, then finally tap on the unarchive icon at the top of the menu page and automatically unarchive the messages. To check it, make sure this process is work for you. So return to the main Google Messages page, then see the all of archived messages into back there. This means your process is done. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care guys.